In this episode, we're going to discuss how to syllabicate consonant LE endings. Did you know that a syllable is a single sound of a spoken or written unbroken word? Some words have more than one syllable. When you are trying to read words that has many syllables, it might be hard to do. So we can break the word apart to make it easier to read. Let's take a look at this word. First, circle the consonant and the LE at the end of the word. Next, find the vowels in this word. They are E and I. Now, find the consonants in between the vowels. Next, bridge the vowels. Then, draw a line between the consonants. Now the word is broken up. The first part is EN. We know that if a syllable ends with a consonant, the vowel makes a short vowel sound. So we would pronounce this N. The second part is TI. The syllable ends in a vowel, so we know that it makes the long vowel sound. So we would say tie. Finally, we would have TLE, and we would say this tull. When we put it together, we get the word entitle. Now, let's practice a few on your own. I will show you a word, and then you will pause the video and syllabicate the word. Then press play to check your answer. Let's start with this word. Pause the video and syllabicate this word. Then press play to check your answer. Here's the answer. How did you do? Let's try one more. Pause the video and syllabicate this word. Then press play to check your answer. Here's the answer. How did you do? I hope you like this lesson on the consonant LE ending. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more and check out my TPT store for more activities.